for picking me up for speaking on this topic. Uh, so language. What is language? In similar words, we can say language is something by which we interact to others, we express our feelings to others. But but what happens when a Bhojpuri speaker, a villager from Bihar, meets someone from Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu, and etc. states, many of the states. So how he gonna interact? He 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 can't just interact them with just saying Vaishan ba.
Yes.
Yeah, because he is understanding what he is saying, but they can't understand what he is saying about or what he is saying.
Yes.
So there's come the hurdle, which is language, which which makes him feel very. Whenever you see Pakistan against India, you see many of the cricketers of Pakistan don't know how to speak English. They just put one famous comment called Inshallah boys played well, nothing else. Whenever we see other people around, matlab, any other any other country, any other team of the other country, they speak in English, they purely speak English. Even our country, Indian players also speak English very well. So imagine yourself to be a Bhojpuri speaker and sitting around some Americans. Means sitting with some Americans. If you are sitting with some Americans, you can't just interact with them. You can't just imagine what they are saying. You can't just understand what they are saying. You can't just pick a meaning of their word, what they are just saying to you. So there you will feel only shame.
Yes.
For that you need to be be someone who knows all the language not but English, because English is a global language. It is spoken among all the countries. Everyone knows English. Everyone knows English. But uh, but imagine to be someone who don't know English, and you are in leave America. You are in just the city of Goa, where you can't just interact with your local language Hindi. You can't just interact with Hindi. There are many people who just only speak English.
Yes.
I'm sorry that I don't know the local language of Goa, but
Yeah,
but
English. That's the local language.
oh, local language is
Yeah.
English.
Panji is the capital language.
So you can't just interact with them. There you feel that something 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 up something needs something
Drawback.
a drawback in you.
Yes.
You feel a drawback in you that you have to learn English for everywhere. You can't just stay with the thinking that Bhojpuri is everything and I will speak Bhojpuri whatever happens. You have
We should not stick to one language. We should learn.
we should not you are talking great. We should not stick to one language. We should try to understand all the languages for just where you because the